Today in math, we're going to focus on the 2D shape rectangles. So two-dimensional means they're flat. They have no shape, not no shape. You can't hold them is what I mean. So if it's three-dimensional, you can hold it. We'll learn about 3D shapes later. They take up space, but flat shapes are flat. They don't take up space. So let's go over our DLO, and then we'll review all of the shapes we were learning, and then we'll talk about rectangles. Today I will find and describe a flat rectangle. Now it's your turn. Today I will find and describe a flat rectangle. So let's review all of the shapes and then we'll focus on the rectangles. So what shape is this? It's a circle. Say circle. Circle has 0 straight sides and 0 vertices. What is a vertice? Corner. So a circle has no corners, no straight sides. It is just one big curve. That is a circle. Our next shape, what is this? Triangle. The first part, tri means 3. Say that, tri means 3. If tri means 3, how many sides does it have? 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. How many vertices does it have? A vertice are the corners. How many corners does a triangle have? 1, 2, 3. 3 vertices. Tri means 3. Next one. Hexagon. Say hexagon. Hex means 6 because that X helps remind me that the number 6 has the X in it. So hex means 6. It has 6 sides and 6 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the vertices are the corners. Excuse me. Next one is a square. A square. Squares are special because they have 4 equal sides. They have 4 equal sides, which makes them different than a rectangle. And they have 4 vertices. So 4 equal sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the sides are the same. And the shape that we're going to focus on today. Rectangle. Say rectangle. Rectangles have 4 sides just like a square, except the rectangle has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. And if it has 4 sides, then that means all the sides make 4 vertices all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want you to look around your room or your house or grandma's house, wherever you're at right now, and look for some rectangles. Sometimes they'll look sideways like this. Sometimes they'll be tall like this. Doesn't matter how we look at the shape, it will stay the same shape because of how many sides and vertices it has. So this is a rectangle, and if I turn it this way, it is still a rectangle because it still has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. So look around. What rectangles do you see? I have a pink eraser, and this face, even though it's a 3D shape, I can hold it. The face of it is a rectangle. It has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. How about my eraser? My eraser is a rectangle because it has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. My key, the part of my key here, is a rectangle. 2 short sides, 2 long sides. How about your pencil box? Pencil box has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. What other examples can you find that are a rectangle? Here's my phone. My phone has 2 short sides, 2 long sides. After you find some, oh, here's another one that I pulled out just for you guys because I was nibbling on one. A Pop-Tart. A Pop-Tart is a rectangle also. Now that you've found a few different rectangles in your house, rectangles are very common shapes, so I'm sure it will be easy for you to find a rectangle at home. You're going to get your shape packet and flip to rectangle, just like we did with triangle and square. You're going to trace it. On this side it says trace and count each side in a color. So count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4 with a color. So use a marker or a crayon or a color pencil. Write how many sides a rectangle has. Down here you're going to draw a rectangle. You can either draw your rectangle sideways or tall. It's your choice. It doesn't matter. As long as it has 2 short sides, 2 long sides, it will be a rectangle. In this portion over here, circle and count the corners or vertices. A vertice is the corner. And it says how many. So circle all the corners and tell me how many vertices are in a rectangle. Then down here, you're going to look for the rectangles and color them. If it does not have 2 short sides or 2 long sides, it is not a rectangle. So if you see a circle, cross it out. You see a triangle, cross it out. So look, if there's a couple in there that are going to try to trick you, don't let the pictures trick you. Think about what makes a rectangle. 2 short sides, 2 long sides. Now it's your turn to show me what you know about rectangles and find them in your house.